deny, delay, escape, avoid, attack, accept, distract, substitute. This tool helps us navigate even the most intense urges. Imagine you're at a friend's wedding and a passing drink tray triggers an urge. Resist the immediate impulse. Remind yourself that this urge is temporary and will pass. If the urge persists, change your environment. If you know that the situation will be difficult in the first place, it may be best to avoid it. Challenge irrational beliefs and obsessive thoughts by dismantling them with logic. Acknowledge the urge without judgment, reassuring yourself that it will diminish over time. Divert your attention. Dance, check your messages, or strike up a conversation with a friend. Replace negative thoughts with rational ones. Swap, "This urge is killing me," with, "This urge is uncomfortable, but it will pass, and I can handle it." This tool, a beacon of strength in challenging moments, guides you towards healthier responses. Each time you successfully employ this strategy, you're not just overcoming an urge, you're building resilience and fostering a stronger, more empowered self.